इसमें आप देखेंगे कि हम कोकोनट शेल्स को एज करके, मैच्योर करके, पॉलिश करके और उसे आराम से ले लीजिए। सो दिस इज हाउ दे आर पॉलिश्ड।
यार मुझे पता नहीं कैमरा में कितना कैप्चर हो रहा है, बट दिस इज रियली स्मूथ।
इसको आप अपने हाथ के
हाथ से
पीछे, ये सब हाथ से, इसमें हम सिवा छेद करने के बिजली का इस्तेमाल नहीं करते।
ओके,
छेद करने के लिए हम ओकेजनली बिजली का इस्तेमाल कर लेते हैं फर्स्ट होल के लिए, देन इट इज ऑल हैंड वर्क। It is also to show the superiority of human hand over machines. And the proof is that if you look at temples, old temples, there was no electricity, all hand tools.
right.
And that is the foundation of reductive forming.
Okay.
So the
reductive
forming,
okay.
that the form is already there inside, and you basically remove what is not the form. So the material is aged like this.
This reminds me of Michelangelo ने डेविड के लिए भी ऐसा कुछ कहा था शायद.
It's reductive. You remove what is not the sculpture. Wow. Here also you remove what is not jewelry.
Okay.
So this is how it ages, and once it has aged, it's not only the material, it is also about aging. It has to mature 3 to 5 years before it becomes workable. Okay. And then it can be combined with a variety of other materials, and then we have jewelry like this. This is a byproduct of my research. It is a combination of kundan with coconut.
Wow.
So the metal,
all handmade.
Even the jewelry is handmade.
Great.
It is designed by us, then we got it manufactured
by.
by.
The details, see, आप देख सकते हैं बहुत intricate काम है, और अगर ये हाथ से बना है तो this is amazing.
It's all. Machines cannot give the finish on a non-uniform surface. Human hand can.
Mm-hmm.
So it is the natural surface of coconut which is retained, and as you can see there are some marks here, and it's all about detailing, how it is joined to metal to coconut joinery, from very simple to detailed.
Complex.
And sometimes just retaining the texture of coconut as it is.
ये थोड़ा rough.
So this will become, once it ages, with age it will further improve. So this is the area where we work on coconuts, seashell, abalone, mother of pearl.
Wow.
And this dust is not recycled, it goes to the garden for composting. But metallic dust is all recycled.
अच्छा.
So this is the place.
ये एक section हो गया.